How to change SSN in Drake software. Open Drake software and wait until the main home screen appears. Make sure the client return is closed before making any changes. Click the Tools menu at the top of the program window. Select File Maintenance from the list of available options. Choose the option called Change ID Number on Return. Wait for the small window to open for changing the identification number. Type the current SSN that is already attached to the client return. Move to the next field and enter the correct SSN carefully. Check the number again to make sure it is entered correctly. Click the Continue option to start the change process. Read the confirmation message that appears on the screen. Select Yes to approve and complete the SSN update. Wait a moment until the software finishes updating the client file. Return to the home screen and open the client again to confirm the new SSN is saved. Thank you for watching.